Let's listen to one poem. Sunday morning, Mummy yells, "Your room so dirty, clean this mess." Under my bed was my wet swimsuit and half-eaten cake, smelly canvas shoes. On the floor were bubblegum wrappers, pencil sharpenings and potato wafers. At last, when I cleaned my room with a dust cloth, mop, dustpan and broom, dear Daddy smiled and Granny cooed. Grandpa hugged me over the moon. Mom calls me, but when she calls me a darling, I like the best. See, this is a poem which Ham pens in almost all the household where mother asks her child to do the chores of the house in the same way, right? Yeah. So in the same way here also, in this poem, the mother is yelling at her or else at her child on Sunday morning. So the mother tells her child that a room is so dirty, they have to clean the room. In the room, there was the wet swimsuit, a cake which was eaten off, and canvas shoes which was smelly. So they were all under the bed. And on the room floor, there was a vapors of bubble gum, pencil sharpening, and potato wafers everywhere on the floor. So the mother asked the child to clean the room. So after all the helping, the mother and the child cleans the room with the help of dust cloth, mop, dustpan and broom. And the father of the child smiled and the grandmother spoke very gently to her grandchild. And the grandfather of the child hugged him and the child feels very happy. And when the mother calls her child a darling, the child feels is the best. And this is our lesson, Mummy's Darling.